Now, after selecting a theme and after having either Motif autoflow your book or choosing to do it yourself, you'll be in the project view. The project view allows you to scroll through your book and see all the pages and placed images at a glance. Let's take a look at what's on offer in the project view. You'll find the Home button in the upper left corner of the blue bar. Tap that and you'll find the rest of your projects as well as the options to create new projects. On the upper right, you can see the checkout link with the shopping cart icon. When you are happy with your project, tap there to begin the process of bringing your Motif project off the screen and into your hands. When in the project view, tap and hold to view pages as individual elements. Once the X buttons appear on the corners, you can then drag individual pages to rearrange them, or tap that X to delete a single page. At the bottom, you'll find the Image Library button and the Book Options button. We'll explain these more in the next video.